My friend, let me speak to you from a place of truth, respect, and deep understanding. If you are over 65, you already know that the body changes in ways we never expected when we were younger. You may walk every day, you may take your steps seriously, you may push yourself to stay active because you want to live independently, move freely, and keep your dignity. Yet still, something inside your legs feels different. Stairs feel harder. Standing up feels slower. Your legs tire faster. Your balance feels slightly less stable than it used to be. And even though you walk, the weakness continues to creep in. Many people blame themselves, thinking they aren't doing enough. But the truth is far simpler. After 65, walking alone cannot rebuild the muscles your body is naturally losing. Not because you're weak, not because you're aging poorly, but because walking simply does not train the parts of your legs that protect you from falls, stiffness, and imbalance. Once you understand this, your whole world shifts, because suddenly the problems you've been feeling make sense, and more importantly, you finally know how to fix them. After 65, the body begins losing muscle in three critical areas: the hips, the calves, and the thighs. These are not just any muscles, they are the engines that keep you balanced, stable, and safe with every step. The hips stop your body from wobbling. The calves produce the push that moves you forward. The thighs give you the strength to stand up, sit down, climb stairs, and support your entire weight. But walking, no matter how consistent, barely activates these muscles. And so little by little, the legs weaken, the steps shorten, and balance becomes more fragile. But here's the beautiful truth. You can restore every one of these muscles with just 3 simple exercises, done slowly, safely, and consistently. These exercises reach the deep, stabilizing muscle fibers that walking misses. They reawaken the strength you thought age had taken from you. They rebuild confidence step by step, day by day, in a way that feels natural, gentle, and empowering. Let's begin with the first one, because it may be the single most important movement for anyone over 65, the hip kickback. My friend, most people your age have no idea how fast the hip muscles weaken. You don't feel it happening until suddenly you notice that standing on one leg feels harder, or stepping off a curb feels unstable, or putting on your pants while standing becomes a balancing act. That is your body telling you your hips, the main stabilizers of your entire lower body, are losing power. And once they weaken, every movement becomes less steady. But do not worry, because the hip kickback restores that strength better than almost anything else. Stand behind a chair or countertop. Hold it lightly. Shift your weight onto one leg and extend the other leg straight behind you in a slow, controlled motion. Don't lean, don't rush, don't swing your leg. Feel the deep contraction in the glute, the muscle that protects your balance. Hold it for a second, then slowly return. This slow return is where the real magic happens. That is where the muscle wakes up. That is where your brain reconnects to the strength you forgot existed. When you do this movement consistently, something incredible begins to happen. Your steps become more stable, your balance improves, you feel more grounded, your lower back feels supported. Everyday movements suddenly feel easier, smoother, and safer. And you start to notice that your legs no longer feel like they're giving up on you. They start to feel dependable again. If you ever find yourself losing balance or wobbling, your hips are the first line of defense, and this exercise rebuilds them beautifully. This alone can change your life. The second exercise is the wall calf raise, and it addresses a problem almost no one talks about: calf weakening after 65. It quietly steals your power, your stability, and your push-off strength. It makes walking harder, even when you walk daily. It makes standing on uneven ground feel risky. It increases your chance of falling without you realizing why. The calves are the shock absorbers of your legs, the engines that propel you forward, and the stabilizers that help you stand tall. But walking barely trains them. That's why many seniors walk more and more but still feel their legs growing weaker. The solution is simple. Stand facing a wall, hands lightly on it, slowly rise onto the balls of your feet, then lower your heels even more slowly. This slow lowering rebuilds the calf fibers that age naturally shuts down. Each repetition restores the power in your steps. Each repetition strengthens the muscles that keep you steady. Each repetition brings warmth, circulation, and energy back into your legs. As you practice this movement day after day, you'll notice you can walk longer without fatigue. Your steps will feel stronger. Your balance will feel more secure. You'll feel more stable when standing, more confident when moving, and more resistant to falls. The calf muscles may be small, but they are absolutely vital for seniors, and rebuilding them is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself. And now we come to the third exercise, a movement so powerful and so revealing that doctors use it as a test of overall leg strength, the chair stand. If you've ever struggled to stand from a chair without using your hands, if rising from the sofa feels heavy, if your legs shake slightly when you stand up, this is not age defeating you. It is simply a sign that your thighs and hips are losing push power. Walking cannot rebuild this. Only targeted strength training can. The chair stand works the exact muscles you use to stand, sit, climb, and move through your day. And doing it consistently is one of the best ways to stay independent for years to come. Sit at the edge of a sturdy chair, feet planted, chest lifted. Lean forward gently and stand up without using your hands. Pause for a breath. Then lower yourself back down slowly, very slowly. That slow descent trains your legs to stay controlled and strong during real-life movements. When this exercise becomes part of your routine, everything changes. Getting up from couches becomes easier. Standing from the toilet becomes easier. Climbing stairs becomes smoother. Your legs begin to feel powerful again. The chair stand trains your body to fight gravity, just like it does dozens of times every day. And the more you practice it, the stronger and more independent you become. My friend, these three exercises work together like a perfect system. The hip kickback stabilizes your side-to-side balance. The calf raise restores your forward stepping power. The chair stand rebuilds the strength to rise, sit, and move with confidence. Together, they form a foundation of strength that walking alone cannot provide. And the best part? You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. You don't need long workouts. You only need a few focused minutes a day, a few slow, intentional movements to change the way your legs feel forever. If you stay consistent, even for just a few weeks, you will feel the difference. You will feel more stable, more powerful, more alive in your legs than you have in years. So my friend, if stairs feel harder than they used to, if balance feels uncertain, if your legs tire easily, do not ignore these signals. They are not the signs of aging you cannot control. They are simply reminders that your body needs a different kind of support now, and you have the power to give it exactly what it needs. Strength at 65, 70, 75, even 80 and beyond is not only possible, it is waiting for you. You simply have to train the right way. If this message connected with you, if these exercises helped you understand your body better, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the Seniors Hub. Your support tells me to create more simple, effective routines to keep your legs strong, your balance sharp, and your body independent. And I want you to share something with me in the comments. Which of the three exercises did your body respond to the most today? Your experience will help others who are on the same journey. And remember, you are not too old, it is not too late, and your legs are far more capable than you think. Give them the right training, and they will give you back the strength you thought you lost. My friend, if this routine helped you understand your body better, don't walk away without taking one simple step that could change your strength for years to come. Tap the like button so this message reaches other seniors who need it. Subscribe to the Seniors Hub and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the routines that keep your legs steady, your balance sharp, and your independence strong. And tell me in the comments, which of the three exercises helped your legs the most today? Your experience might be the exact encouragement someone else needs. Stay strong, stay steady, and I'll see you in the next video.